In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make your keyboard bigger on your iPad. So this works on older iPads and it also works on newer iPads. In my case, I'm using the brand new M3 iPad Air of 2025. So for example, let me just go over to settings, and if we go to our search bar right here, this is the standard default keyboard. Now, if we want to make this bigger, what we can do is head on back to our settings. So once you head over to your settings, what you can then do is scroll down and then select accessibility. You will now see an option for display and text size. Click on this. And then once you click on this, you will then be able to go to the top and then select larger text. Now, once you do this, you've got the small version of text. This is the smallest it can go. And you've got the absolute largest text that you can possibly get right here. So if you do make the text bigger on your iPad, this will also allow you to make your keyboard bigger, allowing you to see the letters a little bit more easily. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.